My wife went home.
Where'd she go?
Be with Jesus. She don't suffer no more because of her ex. No, I did not.
Why did you kill her, Wayne?
I didn't kill her.
Jarvis Wayne Madison appeared in Clark County Court, charged with holding Rachel Madison against her will in southern Indiana when she decided to leave him. She was able to get away to Florida, where her family lives, but 2 weeks later, the FBI says, Madison drove there, kidnapped her, and shot her 3 times before burying her body in Tennessee. The FBI has now charged Madison with kidnapping resulting in death.
They expressed a desire to have him transported to Florida as soon as possible to begin that prosecution, and I agreed in this Clark County case to ask the judge to release him to their custody.
When asked if Madison could have been arrested sooner on the Indiana confinement charge, perhaps preventing him from killing his wife, Mull said this.
There wasn't any kind of negligence or malfeasance or thing that went wrong in this case that resulted in the death. It was simply the result of what I believe to be, based on the evidence, an individual who was determined to find her and take her and kill her. And he did that.
Madison was convicted of terroristic threatening in 2013 for a similar case in Oldham County. He held another woman against her will in a car for hours and threatened to shoot her. Rachel Madison took out an emergency protective order against him at least once before, according to court records.
I need to talk to all of y'all.
Did you kidnap Rachel?
No, I did not kidnap my wife. I love her.
Now, Rachel Madison was charged with custodial interference in a 2014 case involving her 2 children. And in a letter to the judge requesting leniency, she detailed years of physical abuse she said was at the hands of Jarvis Madison. She even said she feared for her life and hoped that if he ever killed her, he would shoot her and not stab her. Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.
Mark, thank you. Jarvis Madison could be taken to Florida as early as tonight. If convicted, he could possibly face the death penalty or life without parole.